In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone app Base44 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to duplicate an existing app so you can test changes safely, explore new features, or set up a separate version for a different use case without touching your original project. First, open Base44 and sign in to your account so you're on the main project dashboard. From here, select the app you want to duplicate to open it in the editor. It helps to double check that you're in the correct workspace and that the app you're selecting is the one you intend to copy. Cloning creates a separate project, so starting with the right source saves time and avoids confusion later. Next, navigate to the app settings, look to the left-hand navigation, and click the dashboard icon to expand the project options. Then click the settings option inside that menu. This takes you to the central place where you can view and manage configuration for the current app. If your workspace has multiple apps, confirm at the top of the page that you're still viewing the intended app before proceeding. Now scroll down the settings page until you find the section labeled Clone App. This section contains the option you need to duplicate everything in one click. When you're ready, click the Create Copy button. Base44 handles the heavy lifting for you, so there's no need to export or import anything manually. The platform will replicate your app structure and assets as they exist at the moment you click. As soon as the copy is ready, Base44 automatically creates a new, independent project and switches you into it. You'll see that it has the same name as your original, with the text copy added to the title. This is a helpful visual cue that lets you instantly tell them apart. The cloned app functions completely separately from the original, which means changes you make in the copy won't affect your live project. This is ideal for experimenting with layouts, content, or workflows without risk. If you're working with teammates, this also makes it easier to parallelize work streams. A few quick tips as you start working in the duplicate. Remember that a clone captures the current state of your app at the moment of copying, so if you plan to test specific updates, perform the clone after those updates are present in the source. Also, because it's a separate project, it will follow its own settings and lifecycle, giving you the flexibility to iterate freely. And that's it. You've successfully cloned your Base44 app and switched into the new copy, ready for safe experimentation and faster iteration.